Finkelstein! Bop, 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 bop. There you go. They were a ham. They were busy. It's also cooled off a lot. Sun has started to go down here. So everybody's feeling a little bit good. See, we had a hot day, didn't we? He's a pretty boy. Looks a lot like his daddy in chocolate. His daddy's black. You make people car sick. There he goes. Of course, that's one of my old cones and another dog got too. You're a pretty boy. See, I'm pretty. He's going to be one that likes to play fetch, I bet. Now his granddaddy is a major ratter. He loves to after anything that moves. Shoo, boy, you're wearing me out. Finkel. Good boy.